In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Google Pay on ElevenLabs. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's start by understanding that Google Pay has some specific requirements which you'll need to meet in order to use it at checkout on ElevenLabs. To begin with, it's crucial to note that Google Pay is only available in certain countries. So if you're in India, unfortunately, you won't be able to use this payment method at this time. Next up, you need to use the right web browser. Google Pay is integrated exclusively with the Google Chrome browser. This means that if you're using any other web browser, the Google Pay option won't show up when you try to check out. And a quick note for Apple users, Google Pay is not available on Google Chrome for iOS devices such as iPhones or iPads. However, if you're on a Mac computer, you're in luck. Just remember, it's also not possible to use Google Pay in an incognito window by default. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive deeper. Before you even start the checkout process, make sure you are signed in to the correct Google account. That's the account associated with the Google Pay you want to use. It's a simple step, but an important one to ensure everything goes smoothly. After you've logged in, the next thing to do is check your payment settings in Google Chrome. Here's how. Open your Chrome settings and look for the autofill section in the menu. There, find Payment Methods and make sure you enable both options, Save and Fill Payment Methods, and allow sites to check if you have payment methods saved. If you are using Chrome on your Android phone or tablet, you can simply tap on Payment Methods in the settings and enable Save and Fill Payment Methods. This step is essential to ensure that the Google Pay button appears at checkout. Now, let's talk about your Google Pay account itself. To use Google Pay for your checkout, there needs to be a valid card already added to your Google Pay account. If you haven't done this yet, make sure to add a valid payment method before proceeding. Next, keep in mind that Google Pay may not be available on older devices. If your device or Google Chrome isn't updated to the latest version, updating might resolve any issues you're facing with Google Pay. For anyone who experiences trouble while trying to use Google Pay, it's worth noting that being connected to a VPN or using a rooted device may cause problems. If you're not sure what rooted means, that's okay. Just rest assured, it probably isn't something you need to worry about. Finally, if you've followed all these steps and Google Pay still isn't showing up, give it a moment. Sometimes it can take up to 5 minutes for Google Pay to become available after you meet all the prerequisites. So to wrap things up, remember to check your country compatibility, use Google Chrome, sign in to the right account, adjust your payment settings, ensure a valid card is added, and keep everything updated. Once you've done all that, you should be good to go with Google Pay on ElevenLabs. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.